So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got from Walmart. This was Walmart delivery. I signed up for the Walmart Plus. So it's really nice to get on the app and just have everything delivered. So starting over here, we just got some 2% milk. I got a large bag of mild cheddar cheese. I didn't mean to get this big of a bag, but I'm sure we'll use it up. I got a 5-pound bag, or not a 5-pound bag. These are Gala apples. I also got a big thing of russet potatoes, but I got some Gala apples. I got 4 mangoes. My kids love mangoes. Blueberries. Up here on the top of my coffee maker, I just got some hamburger buns. I got a thing of Lay's barbecue chips and just original chips. I got 2 things of the shredded wheat cereal. We go through it really fast in my house. I got some regular butter and some tub butter. I actually just used all of my tub butter this morning. I got ½ a pound of ham. My kids love ham sandwiches. And then I got a full pound of white American cheese for the queso dip. That is gonna be a new recipe. I'm kind of nervous to make it, but my husband is requesting queso dip and he wants me to try to make it, so I'm gonna try. I didn't make any promises, but I got all the ingredients for it, so we're gonna see how it goes. I got some Bob Evans zesty hot sausage for the tacos. I got a 3-pound thing of onions. I think that's a 3-pound bag. I just got some yellow onions. I got some white corn tortillas. I got some bagels. These caramel rice cakes are delicious, so I got more of those. Back here is just, I got 2 things, come in a 2-pack, so I got 4 like foil tins for the grill. I want to start grilling vegetables whenever we do steaks or chicken, things like that. So I got some of these, hopefully it works out for us. I was told to get a few of those for the grill to put like potatoes and veggies and things like that on the grill. I got a bag of sausage patties, 1 pound of grapes, got a thing of corn, some sour cream. Whenever I was doing my meal plan and ordering groceries and stuff, I looked to see if I had sour cream and it was expired for like 2 months. So I threw that out and got new sour cream. I got 3 things, I guess 3 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. I'm gonna use this for recipes this week. I got the kind in the tube like this, but they substituted it for this one, which is fine. I got some cinnamon. I got some heavy whipping cream back here for some recipes. I got some syrup, 3-pound bag of cutie oranges. My kids love these. I got some white bread, these humongous bananas, like they're huge. So I got 6 of them. I didn't realize how big they were. But I got some buttermilk waffles and a thing of eggs back here. And then over here for the non-food items, well, I guess the russet potatoes is a food item, but I'm gonna pre-make mashed potatoes. My husband loves my homemade mashed potatoes. So I'm going to make that for 2 meals. So I got a big bag to make a big batch and then freeze half of it. And then we're gonna have baked potatoes as well. So we'll use up the big bag. And then down here, just the non-food items. I needed some black printer ink for a project that I'm working on that's gonna be launching soon. So I got that for my printer. I got some multi-purpose solution. My husband and I both wear contacts, so we need more of that. I got some mascara. I wanted to get my other one, but it was like $15. So I settled for this one. It was only $7 and I hope it's good. I don't think I've ever used this one before, so I hope this is good. We'll see how it turns out. And then my husband needed some deodorant. Okay, so for the meals that I'm making this week, one night I'm gonna make steaks, homemade mashed potatoes, and corn. Another night we're gonna do hamburgers and baked potatoes. And then I'm going to make meatloaf and homemade mashed potatoes. I'm going to make enough for both of these nights and then just have like leftover mashed potatoes as a side for one of them. I'm gonna make tacos and queso. My husband calls them chalupas, that's why I have it wrote next to tacos, but it's a different kind of taco recipe, which I'll be sharing. And then I'm gonna make buffalo chicken dip and spinach and artichoke dip. I didn't get the ingredients for these two just because I didn't want them to go bad by the time we got to it. So I have a plan to make that, I just need to get the ingredients for it.